because when I was little, when I was in 6th grade, American Red Cross helped my mom and my little sister escape a fire because of the fire alarms that you guys installed.
And what did you do today?
Today I helped install fire alarms for other people that are less fortunate to have them.
And what did installing those smoke alarms mean for you?
It meant a lot because when I was little, I got to see that a lot of people got out and a lot of people that I knew were saved, and I wanted to save the people of the community and help them out with their problems and make sure that their kids get out okay.
Alumni chapter were the ones who made us aware of it, and so there's several of us running around here participating with it.
Well, in that spirit also, we have a group of Valero volunteers that are out that served as well. So we want to give a shout out to Valero and the volunteers that came out to support the American Red Cross.
And then I'm a proud board member of the Alma Bowl, and so obviously it was easy for us to come across the street and make a contribution.
Fantastic.
Just as a community, we know it's very important to give back, and anything we can do to help our community and especially make the children and families be safe, we wanted to be here to help.
How many smoke alarms did you install today?
We installed 7 alarms today.
And what was your experience like?
Amazing. We went into one family that were sure they were okay because they had 3 alarms in their house, but they said we could go in and check, and come to find out there was no batteries in there. There's 4 little children in there. We felt very good about being able to at least make them feel a lot safer.